Good day students. Today we'll be seeing about tutorial problems on continuous time system analysis using differential equations. So the first problem that we have taken for discussion here is for a causal LTI system. Kindly note down that it is a causal LTI system with h of s given in this manner. Find the differential equation. First we need to find the differential equation. Then find the system output. That is, we need to find y of t to the input. The input is given as x of t equal to e power minus 2t u of t. So as per this problem, first step is you need to find the differential equation. So h of s is equal to s plus 5 divided by squared plus 4s plus 3. H of s can be written as y of s divided by x of s, which is equal to s plus 5 divided by s squared plus 4s plus 3. So cross multiplying, we can get this equation. So multiply it thoroughly. Then we need to take the inverse Laplace transform. So when you take this inverse Laplace transform, we can see that s squared into y of s. To take inverse for this, we need to go for, and similarly 4s into y of s. So for this we need to go for differentiation in time property. So what is differentiation in time property? D to the power of n y by dt to the power of n Laplace transform is equal to s to the power of n into y of s. So we can see that s squared, so we can take this as d squared y of t divided by dt squared plus 4 is a constant, s into y of s. So the power is 1. So n power is 1. So dy of t divided by dt. So here dy of t divided by dt plus 3y of s. So taking the inverse 3y of s, you will be getting 3yt is equal to s into x of s. The same differentiation in time property, s has the power of 1. So dy of t, so instead of y, here we are having x of s. So it will be dx of t divided by dt plus phi x of s inverse will be phi x of t. So we have found out the differential equation for this particular system. Second one is we have to find the system output given the input. So finding the system output to the input. So x of t is given. So anyhow we need to find out y of s divided by x of s is given. So we need to find what is x of s. So for x of t, if we find out the Laplace transform, we can find. So we know very well the formula that e power minus at u of t Laplace transform will be 1 by s plus a, real part of s greater than minus a. So applying the same formula, e power minus t u of t Laplace transform will be 1 by s plus 2, real part of s greater than minus 2. Now you substitute this x of s, take it to the other side. So s plus 5 and multiply. So now you get this equation. Now from y of s, we have to take inverse Laplace transform and find y of t. So to take inverse Laplace transform, we need to split this numerator and denominator by applying partial fractions. So applying partial fractions, a by s plus 3 plus b by s plus 1 plus c by s plus 2. So we can take LCM, apply partial fractions in any manner that you want, take suitable values for s and solve for partial fractions. You will be getting a equal to 1, b equal to 2 and c equal to minus 3. Substituting this, y of s will be equal to 1 by s plus 3 plus 2 by s plus 1 minus 3 divided by s plus 2. However, now the last step is we need to take the inverse Laplace transform. However, we don't know the region of convergence. Only if we know the region of convergence, we can take the Laplace transform. So in this problem, it is given that the given system is causal. Hence, the ROCs for each will be to the right of the individual poles. Totally, it will be to the right of rightmost. But since we have individual systems over here, we can take ROC to be the right side of the individual poles. So the first ROC will be real part of s greater than minus 3. The second one will be real part of s greater than minus 1. and the third one will be real part of s greater than minus 2. So now we can apply the conventional formula e power minus at u of t, Laplace transform is 1 by s plus a, real part of s greater than a. Just go back in reverse to take inverse Laplace transform, and we get y of t equal to e power minus 3t u of t for the first term. 2 is a amplitude, 1 by s plus 1 is e power minus t u of t, minus 3, 1 by s plus 2 is e power minus 2t u of t. Thank you, students.